Popular mainstream leadership gurus claimed leadership is an exciting journey. That may be true a few years ago. Even though leadership remains a satisfying journey to a certain degree, it can be a roller coaster ride. In this video, we will share the point of leaders are surfing VUCA at this very moment. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, EXCEL-HRD. I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. As a community, we talk about leadership and HRD solutions. If you have not done so, you can subscribe, click on the notification button to get my latest video, and remember to like this video. When many factors surrounding the organizations are tumbling forward with lightning speed, in this point, leadership is pretty much like jumping on a surfboard. Leading business and people is like you riding the high and low waves in the sea of uncertainty. It is either you swim or sink. This is because of the notorious VUCA, VUCA, that disrupts you every day. Mentioned first in 1987 by leadership expert Warren Bennis and Bert Dennis, VUCA describes the post-Cold War era in terms of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity of general conditions and situations faced in the U.S. Army War College. When you use VUCA acronym as a common reference point to illustrate the true test for leaders, what can be more demanding than leading a military squad through life and death situations? On top of VUCA is the unprecedented global pandemic in the year 2020. In the current business conditions, you have to grab the intensified VUCA by the horns when you lead daily. Now, let's check in with a quick question. Has VUCA disrupted you as well? How are you affected? Leave a comment below. Till we meet again, do subscribe, click on the notification button to get my latest video, and like this video. See you soon!